Can you imagine eating gold? Let's delve into a hidden world of culinary extravagance where gold isn't just worn, it's devoured. Join us as we uncover the secret and mysterious world of edible gold and the most outrageously priced dishes that feature this luxurious ingredient. Serving up smiles one dish at a time. Food is Thy Mood is now live. Hey Moody Foodies! Welcome back to another episode of our food adventure. Today we're diving into a topic that's as fascinating as it is luxurious, and it's all about food. But not just any food. We're talking about dishes that are so outrageously priced, they'll make your jaw drop. Throughout history, culinary extravagance has been a symbol of wealth and status. Did you know that in ancient Rome, feasts often included exotic dishes like flamingo tongues and peacock brains? Or that during the Renaissance, European nobility would host lavish banquets with pies filled with live birds?
Excuse me, may I go to the bathroom first?
Fast forward to modern times and this trend of opulence continues. Imagine a pizza adorned with gold, caviar, and lobster, costing thousands of dollars, or a bottle of wine from the 1800s auction for the price of a luxury car. These are just meals, they're statements of grandeur and opulence. And today we're going to explore some of the most jaw-dropping examples of this culinary luxury. Ever heard of a burger that costs $666? Or an ice cream sundae priced at a staggering $25,000?
What?
Yes, you heard it right. Now, before you dismiss this as pure fantasy, let me assure you these dishes are very real. The catch? They're laced with gold. You might be scratching your head wondering why anyone would want to eat gold. Well, stick around and I'll tell you all about it. Let's start with a $25,000 sundae. Served at Serendipity 3 in New York City, this isn't just any sundae. It's a masterpiece of culinary luxury. It features exotic ingredients like the rarest Venezuelan chuao chocolate and vanilla beans from Madagascar. The sundae is adorned with a 23-karat gold leaf and served in a goblet lined with edible gold. The cherry on top? A luxurious 18-karat gold spoon, which you get to keep. What's more, the experience includes a caviar and champagne service. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience, blending the worlds of fine dining and opulent artistry. But what exactly is edible gold? And how is it different from the gold you find in jewelry? More importantly, is it even safe to eat? Edible gold is a form of gold that is safe to consume. It's often used in thin sheets or flakes to adorn luxury dishes. Unlike the gold in jewelry, which may contain impurities, edible gold is 23 to 24 carats, meaning it's almost 100% pure. Edible gold has become quite a sensation, not just in high-end restaurants but also on social media. Search for the edible gold hashtag and you'll be dazzled by thousands of posts showcasing macarons, pastries, and cakes all shimmering with gold. The explosion of edible gold on social media is staggering. Analytics reveal that posts featuring gold-laden dishes receive up to 50% more engagement than standard food posts. Influencers in the culinary world often use gold to transform ordinary dishes into viral sensations. Renowned food blogger Emma Gourmet explains, edible gold elevates a dish to a piece of art, making it Instagram-worthy and trend-setting.
Really?
Possibly.
This digital age fascination reflects a blend of visual appeal and the timeless allure of luxury, as gold-infused creations continue to mesmerize followers worldwide. But this trend isn't a recent phenomenon born out of social media era. Its origins are much older. You might be surprised to learn that the concept of edible gold dates back to ancient civilizations. In 2013, The Guardian reported that a dessert featuring gold was served at the Golden Globe Awards. The pastry chef, Thomas Hensey, turned a simple chocolate cake into a luxury item by adding gold flakes, which cost a whopping $135 per gram. But the use of gold in culinary creations goes even further back. A 15th century English cookbook mentions a tart recipe with a gold-leafed walnut as a garnish. Fascinating, isn't it? But the use of gold in food isn't just a European medieval practice. In ancient Japan, gold flakes were often added to sake for special occasions. In India, gold leaf, known as varak, is frequently used to decorate sweets and fruits during religious festivals. These traditions highlight not just the pursuit of luxury, but also a cultural and spiritual significance of gold. Across different eras and continents, gold has symbolized prosperity, purity, and the divine, making its presence in food about more than just taste or aesthetics. It's a celebration of heritage and opulence. But let's go back even further. The real origins of edible gold can be traced to ancient China around 2000 BCE. While the Egyptians were experts in creating delicate gold leaf and the Greeks adorned their sculptures with it, the Chinese were the first to incorporate gold into their cuisine. So what exactly makes edible gold, well, edible? To be considered food grade, gold must be 90% pure or between 23 to 24 carats. It can contain traces of other safe-to-ingest metals like pure silver. Despite its non-toxic nature, as recommended by the CDC, gold should be consumed in moderation. The process of turning pure gold into edible gold leaf is an art in itself. The gold is hammered and stretched until it's incredibly thin, so delicate that it can melt from the heat of your fingertips. But why all the fuss about edible gold? The answer is simple: status. Apart from that, eating gold offers no real benefits. It has no taste and no nutritional value. A golden sundae tastes just like a regular one. So why would you spend $25,000 on an ice cream sundae? Personally, I'd rather buy a boat for that price, even if it's just a small rowboat. Alright, for those of you who've stuck around till the end, here's a little golden nugget of a bonus. Ever wondered what happens to all that edible gold after, well, it's been eaten? Here's a fun fact to chew on. Since gold is biologically inert, it passes right through you. So the next time you splurge on a gold-laced cupcake, remember, you're literally flushing gold down the toilet. Thanks for staying with us till the very end. Remember, in the world of luxurious foods, not all that glitters is absorbed. Let us know in the comments what luxury food tempts your taste buds. And if you've enjoyed this journey into the world of edible gold, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating food tales. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried a dish with edible gold? Or is there a luxury food you're curious about? Share your experiences or your culinary bucket list in the comments below. We'll be reading and responding to your stories, and who knows, your suggestion might just be the star of our next video. So dive into the comments and join the conversation. Until next time, keep exploring the extraordinary in the ordinary.